Sobrang nakakabahala, ang ating mahal na Pangulo na si PRRD, ay nawawala, ayon kay MEDIALDIA, mga kababayan tayo ay dapat mapagmasid, mausisa, sa bawat galaw ni PRRD, alam naman natin na gagawin nila ang lahat para maalis siya, tinik sa lalamunan ang turin nila sa kanya, pray for PRRD, we stand for Duterte, halina't panuurin ang videoing ito.
I asked for the name of the hospital. Up to now, they have not given us the name of the hospital. So we took the position that he could have been brought here directly. And we are told that there is no President Duterte inside the facility. We are at a loss of this time. And lokohan na to. I think this is part of their grand plan, no? To kidnap the president, to extract the president from the Philippines and brought to a jet without known destination. I was even forced to join the plane without any valid visa coming here.
Sir, can we expound lang when you said that there is no President Duterte inside?
They're
Who said-
telling me that there is no Rodrigo R. Duterte inside this facility.
Okay. You,
But they,
you requested for a visit today and it was approved, sir, right?
we have requested the ICC for a visit because they do not disclose what hospital he was brought to. And we assume that he was brought here last night after the training. That's all I can say as of the moment.
Is it possible he is in a hospital somewhere?
I hope he is in a hospital somewhere, but not in this facility.
He is allowed, according to ICC regulations, any detainee is allowed to communicate. Has he communicated to any of
None.
zero, sir?
We don't have any opportunity. We don't know where he is right now.
Oh.
He doesn't have any. He doesn't even have his medicines with him.
Pero doon po siya sa ambulance sumakay.
Sinakay siya sa ambulance, binigay lang namin yung mga records sa kanya, and sabi he will be well taken care of.
Right.
And we will be informed immediately of the name of the hospital. But hanggang ngayon, nakakalungkot ganito ginagawa nila.
So, Sec, what's the next step? What are the plans?
We are going back to the ICC and ask them where he is right now. Because a family member is waiting here to see him.
Yes.
Kasi-
How is the Vice President?
She's waiting.
Okay.
And I would assume the president would want to see one of the members of this
Yes.
family at this point
Sec,
in time.
the Vice President wants to see him. Is there a schedule for?
That's what we are arranging, but we are at a loss where he is right now.
Okay. So, how about you, sir? Alis muna ba kayo?
Alis ako dito. Hindi, pinapalabas nga kami.
Oh. Oh my God.
Anong gusto nila gawin? Standby ako dito, yung lamig-lamig.
Ano po yung response nila sa inyo nung nag-request po kayo for a visit?
Wala. Ayan. Wala daw, request for a visit dito.
Oo.
Wala daw ano dito. Walang preso by the name of President.
Ah,
Sir, hindi yan totoo kasi nandoon sa Pero sir, the embassy said that you're allowed a visit. Ano kayang pinagmumulan nun?
Hindi. Ano yan? Right ng accused yan.
Opo.
To be by counsel.
May schedule sila Thursday. So parang definite.
I don't know them. But ako, as far as my understanding of the law is, he has the right to counsel anytime.
And you're acting as an official.
One of the counsel, and they don't even recognize my appearance here.
Nasa na po si VP Sara sa ngayon?
No, she is right.
Hindi pa po kayo nagkita.
Nag-usap lang kami sa telepono, pero wala pang until So,
Alright.
tapos na.
Okay.
I have
Okay, thank you. Thank you po.